Hello and welcome back everybody to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. Make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know when I upload any new video. Alright, as the title suggests, in today's session we are going to see how to create a comment chart in Tableau. Comment chart is a good way to visualize the performance of any measure over time. In this example, I have compared sales in 2018 versus sales in 2019 for different subcategories. Here you can see that for subcategory binders, the sales in 2019 were 72,000 and sales in 2018 were 49,000, which is less than the sales in 2019. And for subcategory machines, here you can see that sales in 2019 were 43,000, whereas sales in 2018 were 55,000, which were greater than as compared to 2019. So visually, we can find that for all the red comets, the sales in 2019 were less as compared to sales in 2018. And for all the comets, those are green in color, the sales in 2018 were less as compared to sales in 2019. Now, let's jump straight into Tableau and see how to create a comment chart similar to this one. Here, I am using the default sample superstore dataset. Now let's drag subcategory to rows. Let's see how many years data we have in this. So let's go to sheet 2, drag order date to text. We have data from 2016 till 2019. So let's assume that we need to compare sales for 2018 with sales in 2019. Let's go back to sheet 1, create a calculated field, click on create calculated field, name it sales in 2018, write down the formula if year of order date is equal to 2018, then sales end, and click on OK. Now create a duplicate field, click on edit. Now we will name it sales in 2019, change the year from 2018 to 2019, click on OK. Now drag sales in 2018 to columns, drag sales in 2019 to the axis to create a blended axis. So here for each subcategory we are getting sales in 2018 and sales in 2019. Now change from automatic to line in the mark section. Drag measure names to line path. You can increase the size. Now we are getting a bit closer to the comet chart. Click on control and drag measure names to size. Next, we can create a calculated field to differentiate all those comets where the sales in 2019 was less as compared to sales in 2018. So for that, create a calculated field. Let's name it color. Write down the formula if sum of sales in 2018 is greater than sum of sales in 2019, then obviously it is bad. You can name anything according to your preference. Right, else if sum of sales in 2018 is less than sum of sales in 2019, then we call it good. else we can say neutral when the sales in 2019 is equal to 2018, and click on OK. Now drag this color field to color in the mark section. We can change the color from edit color. We can select color for bad as red, and let's select blue for good. Click on OK. Here we can see that sales in 2019 is less as compared to sales in 2018 for all those comments. Those are in red color, and for those comments which are blue in color, the sales in 2018 is less as compared to sales in 2019. Next we can go to labels. Click on show mark labels. You can select from the font drop down, click on match mark color. So here for all those comments, those are blue in color, we are getting the blue labels, and for those comments, those are red in color, we are getting red color labels. Here you can observe that we are getting big circles at the start of each comment. So to create a good looking comment chart, we can go to labels and click on line ends. Now we have got a good looking comment chart. Now let's remove these axis lines. Go to format, click on lines, select none for all the zero lines, axis rulers, axis stick, let's select none. Next go to columns, select drop down of grid lines and select none. Okay, now we have removed all the grid lines that we were getting in the comment chart. Let's hide the axis. We can hide the labels that we are getting for subcategory. Now finally we have created a comment chart that is comparing sales in 2018 with sales in 2019 for different subcategories. Let's change the title. Let's name it sales in 2018 versus sales in 2019. Let's change the font to say Camry. Let's click on bold. Let's change the color to say golden. Center line. Click OK. To show sales in 2018 and sales in 2019, we have created static fields where we have manually selected the year. I'll show you this field. So in this we have manually selected the year. We can also create a dynamic field. Suppose you want your comment chart to pick the latest year from the dataset and then compare the sales with previous year. For that we can create a dynamic field. Click on create calculated field. You can say sales in latest year. Write down the formula if year of order date is equal to max of year order date. Basically we are getting the max year that is present in our dataset. Then sales, and here we are getting error. So we need to change this max year to level of detail function. So close the max year of order date within curly braces. Now the calculation is valid. Click OK. Now similarly duplicate this field. Now we will create a calculated field that will latest year -1. Name it sales in last year -1. write down after curly braces -1. So suppose in our data set the latest year is 2019. So this field will give us 2018. Click OK. Now you can drag these fields in the measure value section. Drag sales in latest year on over sum of sales in 2019 and drag sales in latest year -1 over sum of sales in 18. We can also update the title, so this title will pick the latest year and latest year -1 according to other dataset. So let's create a calculated field, name it latest year, write down the formula, open curly braces, max year of order date, close the curly braces. This will basically give us the latest year present in our dataset. Click OK. Search for latest year. Click on drop down and select duplicate. Now we will create a field for latest year -1. Name it latest year -1, and this here we will add -1 at the end. Now we can update the title according to the new fields that we have created. Drag these both fields in the tooltip. Double click on the title. Here we can remove this 2018. Here we have to give latest year -1. Select latest year -1. Here select remove this 2019 and select some latest year. Click OK. Here we are getting 1000 separator in 2018 and 2019. So let's edit these fields. Click on format, go to numbers, number custom, uncheck include 1000 separator. Similarly edit 2018 from the fields drop down, select latest year -1, go to numbers, click on number custom, remove the decimal places and uncheck include 1000 separator. Now as our data updates and we start getting data for 2020, then our comment chart will automatically update. In that case, sales in 2020 will be compared with sales in 2019. I encourage everyone to jump to Tableau and compare any measure for different years using a comet chart. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. See you in the next tutorial.